Hadin balayo ikajing ujor baklem penmi ika result jong ka interview baningkong kaseng Fkjgp haka arpunyo terik mentau benai nailur arjar arpuar kalalet ban Pynsangeh shwai ya ka Jingkhot interview jong school Laitumkhrah Assamese secondary school halor kapos assistant English. Habai krem bikilat pathai khobor presiden kaseng uba kraw kupar nongsin ulai thu bakadaw bakaseng ka Pynsangeh kadai bahadin bikilayo kajing ujor bakate ka school ka khot interview hadu laisin ya kajuk ka post wat ladon ki candidate ki beladep apply but ki ladep ru ya ka written test but ka personal interview henry kate ka school ka klempen mi satya ya ka result nakaliang jong kaseng Fkjgp hadian baklayo jing tip bakite ki candidate ba apply ki ladep ban file RTI lalap beitai candidate ba wan shakmat ka school ka klem ai jing tip ne select ki but ki la khot re interview biang de ki wei pat shu Uba nong sit ulai thu banakaliang ke Fkjgp kanang wat ya ka jingtip bat kan ya khun ya ka hok ka habede bat ka te ka kam.
Atay ka school ka Laitumkhrah Assamese secondary school din gila ayo complete ni candidate ha ka ba atay ka school ka Laitumkhrah Assamese secondary school kala khat yang ya ka written exam ta kasgi ha ka bayday lor ka assistant teacher bayday ka subject English hadin ba ngila ayo complain na kaliang ibu candidate iba la deple ya ka exam written ru ila pass bat kunju ya ka personal interview hadin kadai ini candidate ini anu penpau kerteng te ila pendap ya kini atli ki exams ka personal interview bat ya ka written exams ila clear bat kani ka jingle kani ka exam kani ho arajar ka pra ka bunai February ping solingo na kalyang jongi ka seng ba kumno kani ka school ka khot biang ka re interview si re interview ya kani ka post ka bay day halor kani ka post ping layo pani kren ba principal jong ka school ru bat ngila panjing sai ba ka kanong rem ka ba ki khot ki re interview biang kani ka post bat kani mentah si kala ada kesin ka balai ka kala ai ka advertisement apo ka Shillong Times bat hadin nakaliang jong i principal apan pau ba ka ngi kwa ba ningkong nakaliang jong i principal laong ba kadai ka rai halo ka jingrai jing bakham select ya ini candidate belawan sakmat hadin ba file ka RTI nilai ba ini candidate de written ru iban baningkong ba ka personal ru la clear tingi kwa kan banbu ka jingkli ba ya te school ba balai ki kam aba ki shwa kin re interview biang kin ka post balai ki company ka ya results but jing sha ini lai la yo ru ka sithi hadin ba la file ya ka RTI ti la yo ki sithi but nakaliang jong DSCL but la tho nakaliang ka DSCL sha DSCO ba kidai ban recommend sing la yo gilawan man kendo i DSCO ndray nakaliang i DSCO i lectur iyo ban kendo i head assess i baday bandil ya kani dealing assistant baday bandil ya kani kam kaya nakaliang jong iru yung ba hajing sha kala day hok ba idi banyo ini candidate ya kani kam namar na kani ka office kila pha ka city na ka city ni kong gipa nakaliang deputy director of school education and literacy sha i DSCO ba nakaliang ka DSCO nakaliang i DSCO la pha pa sa ka school hakaba fini kani la recommend ro ba di bantungi ni candidate abay day ba kani ka post ti ka ngi habban ya kun ya ka hok ba le se ngin ya kendu sa i DSCO la sai ka ski la da yo ba ni kendu i la sai ka ski niyo ba ni please jumut bat but again it's let's say the don't come ban ki kam strong balik kendu education minister ni don't come ban kendu pa natay nakaliang DSCL ong ban recommend ya ini candidate ban appoint ya kani ka post assistant teacher jong ka subject English ha ka school dai ka pasulingo ba timburam ya kay ka bala ai ka direction nakaliang ka directorate ru ba kidai ban thung ya kani ka post dai kala khot kari interview kani ka pening bat hadin la pet ya ka RTI ngi ba sangut ki khasi ki dan bat ki de ki khasi ki baningkong hadu pasaw di khasi bat way jat ban real te ka penlingo kan yangi kani ka MC man kapor kani la adi ka sin ka baar ka ba ngi nakaliang ka seng la le ka te ka school ba mutswa ka de halor ka science subject ban ya ka badai ban thung ki no kai jong science subject ngi ba nakaliang ha ka turu kile salak higni ki principal kata ka managing committee le se ka kwa ban wanra ki brio le jong te kani ka jingle kumni ngi I ba le se kan wanra ya ka jingi su per jimut kan sa wanra ya ka jing so dom na kaliang ki samla ki jongi ki bathap ki kam bat le se kala ban poi sa kanu ka bentar.
Right? And after that, for a few years, because of the pandemic and everything, then again in this year you are publishing. Can I speak first, please? Now again in 2020 you are advertising again for the post of English. I have one question. Are you advertising this post for that same post of 2018?
2018, yes, month of June. Before
First
first time
advertisement
you
was
were,
in January.
first time you came, okay.
Right.
After that, managing committee stopped it because they are not satisfied. We have informed the DSU also. After that, DSU permission asked to re-advertise the post, okay.
So that means in a span of 5 years, from 2018 to 2022, recently with the new advertisement, there has been no teacher in this post, which is a sanctioned post from the government.
No teacher.
How are the students coping up with that?
I'm the one
Yeah,
teaching.
she
For
is
5 years?
managing it.
No, I've been teaching from before.
From before.
The other teacher was that she retired.
1998.
So she retired and then I took over her subjects also, whatever she was teaching, because she retired.
Why do the managing re-interview this post?
The
You haven't declared the results yet, right?
No,
You haven't appointed anyone.
that before one, no, 2018 one, no? They stopped it because of they are not satisfied. Only three
candidates only.
came. So
That
to
time.
interact more means more candidates. That's why they stopped it. After that we advertised because permission already.
I think I still have the name of it. If I clearly remember, there were about 5 candidates who came for the written and the personal.
Second time.
For the first
Oh,
time,
first
I'm not
time.
talking about the second time.
Six
6.
Six
So
candidates.
these are the 6
How can you
candidates.
say only 3 candidates are there?
No, we selected only 3 written test and we passed. The written test passed 3 candidates.
But the
Because
student
I
comment
cannot do
of
anything.
Please don't say that. We are not doing because we have already 40%.
Last time
local
also,
people only.
I've been here. Last time I was here, I came for that post of science teacher, and that guy who applied for the
Science,
post,
yeah, post, yeah, but that
and
guy
he is a BE, Bachelor of Electronics. So and you guys try to give that post to that
No.
guy.
Another person, you had come with another person. I think he didn't have physics as a subject.